Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I was at the range yesterday and I was shooting my Ruger 2245, which I had added a Hogue grip to, which is really wonderful. It really makes the gun fit my hand a lot better. However, I came to the realization that to clean this, and the reason I came to that realization is because it was jamming up a little bit. It would not take the first round off the top of the magazine. It wouldn't feed, and it's because it's just there's a ton of crap in there. Let's see if I can show it to you. Yeah, you can see how dirty that is. Look at the ramp. Look at that whole mess there. So I knew I had to clean it. I haven't cleaned it in a while. I've actually come to a new philosophy on cleaning. And this is not for duty firearms. This is just for sport, recreation. I don't clean them every time I shoot them because over cleaning can cause damage if you don't do it right. If you do it right, I guess it doesn't cause any damage, but it's just maybe kind of a waste of time. So anyway, it was time to clean this. It was jamming up, and I realized that with this grip on there, I take the grip off and on every time I clean it, which is another reason why I probably won't be cleaning it every time. I'll give it a really good cleaning every 4 or 5 times that I use it. But I figured out a way to get it off that worked pretty neat, so I wanted to share that with you guys and gals. This goes on, well, I'm going by recollection now. I think I used some kind of a soapy solution that would dry a little bit sticky, and I used that to get it on, slide it up there real high. So it seems to me obvious the way to get it off is to just reverse that process. So I took some, that's Purple Power Cleaner 50/50 with water, and I shoved this tool, which is a tool for taking apart panels, interior upholstery panels on a car, whatever. And I shoved this up on both sides, and then I, in the area that was created, the void, I sprayed a bunch of this. Now, you probably don't, you don't want to be spraying, excuse me, you don't want to be spraying this stuff unless you're going to clean it, because it's got water in it, and you don't want to be spraying water on your nice gun. But I wanted to show that to you, and I'll show you little bits and pieces of the rest of the cleaning. I think I've done that before, but this was one new thing about the Hogue grip. Well, first new thing is that tool that I used actually makes a really nice tool to remove this part of the gun. I'm not going to give you every single step. That's in another video. I'm just showing you new things. So you can use this tool to get that piece out. That is a big old mess. Very dirty. Alright, I'm going to clean it up. Not going to show you every detail. Look up my other video on that and put it back together. Okay, well, that cleaning actually went quicker and easier and better than I thought it was going to. Oh, this light here. There. It was a little distracting. So now all it is to put this back on, and I'm just going to soak it up with some soapy stuff and shove it on there as high as I can. So I'll show you that. Okay then, there it is. All I did was shoot some of this in there and shove it on all the way and twist it as I shove it on there. So like I said, I'm just going to show you some slight differences since I started using this grip. Should shoot fine now. A nice little pistol. I always enjoyed this one. Adjustable target sights and a big bull barrel. So give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy, and see you later, guys and gals. Froggy out. Bye bye.